Hello everyone. So this is a quick video to maybe give you a solution to your phone not charging. More specifically, a Samsung Galaxy A71. This is the model that I have, and it stopped charging. With any charger I had, it didn't charge. So I went to a store to get it checked, and the guy just told me to massage the back of the phone. Okay, it sounds very weird, but it's pretty much what you need to do. Basically, you want to massage maybe around the middle under the camera and do like some circle motion to put a point of pressure on really the middle. You really want to push and maybe move it a bit around. Why do you want to do this? Because over here is the motherboard, which is the part that gets all the wires to it. And where your, plug is, there's a wire going all the way to the motherboard. And that wire plugging in the motherboard is pretty loose. That's what the guy said to me at the store. So basically, from time to time, you're maybe gonna have to wiggle your phone there. And if it really gets into an issue, you have to open it and put a piece of tape, to really strap that wire to the motherboard, which is, pretty complicated. If you're going to the step of opening the phone to just tape the wire, don't do it yourself. You're probably gonna break it. So be careful if you're gonna do that, and I recommend you to get some professionals to do that if you're gonna do that. But the massage thing, I'm pretty sure it's 100% safe. The guy did it in front of me with no precautions. I think it's just wiggle around and it's gonna be all fine, okay? So I hope this helps you, and I wish you an amazing day. See you.